Let's talk about what's really happening with XRP. You're seeing red candles everywhere, and it's easy to feel discouraged, but price action doesn't always reflect the real progress being made. Behind the scenes, Ripple is building, innovating, and expanding XRP's role in the future of finance. The market is emotional, but value is built on utility and adoption. While traders react to headlines, Ripple is shipping products and securing major wins. XRP's story is evolving, beyond payments into DeFi, tokenization, and institutional infrastructure. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of tomorrow's financial system. Recent news isn't just good, it's transformative. We're seeing integrations with other blockchains, tech upgrades, and regulatory clarity. The groundwork for the next bull run is being laid right now. Don't let short-term noise distract you from the long-term signal. This is where fortunes are made, by understanding the deep changes happening in the ecosystem. We're about to break down 4 key updates that are rewriting XRP's future. Each is bullish on its own. Together, they're a paradigm shift. Let's dive in and see why XRP's future is brighter than ever. First, the big news. XRP is now integrated with the Solana blockchain. For years, blockchains were isolated. Now, XRP can move seamlessly onto Solana, one of the fastest DeFi ecosystems. This isn't just a partnership, it's a gateway to new utility. XRP holders can now use their assets in Solana's DeFi, earning yield, borrowing, and more. This transforms XRP from a payment asset into a versatile DeFi tool. Solana gains access to XRP's liquidity while XRP taps into Solana's thriving ecosystem. This is the future. Interoperability, not competition. XRP can now thrive in a multi-chain world, a critical factor for long-term growth. The market may not have reacted yet, but the impact on utility is undeniable. More utility means more demand, and with fixed supply, that's bullish. The Solana bridge is a fundamental expansion of XRP's market. Ripple is playing chess, not checkers, positioning XRP for the next era of finance. Next, Ripple's push into tokenization is accelerating. Tokenization means turning real-world assets, like real estate or stocks, into digital tokens on a blockchain. The XRP ledger is built for this, fast, cheap, and scalable. Imagine trading a fraction of a building in seconds, globally, for pennies. XRP acts as the bridge and gas for this ecosystem, settling transactions and providing liquidity. Ripple is working with institutions and governments to make this a reality now, not someday. As trillions in assets move on-chain, XRP's role as a settlement layer grows. Its value will be tied to the total value of assets tokenized and traded on its network. The digitization of assets is a massive trend, and XRP is at the center. This vision makes today's price look incredibly undervalued. The future of finance is being built, and XRP is the backbone. The third update, Ripple's relentless infrastructure upgrades. Ripple is making the XRP ledger faster, more secure, and easier for developers. These aren't minor tweaks, they're preparing for a surge in institutional and retail use. Think of it as upgrading roads to superhighways before the traffic arrives. Ripple's new developer tools and grant programs are fueling innovation. A strong developer community means more apps, more users, and more demand for XRP. These upgrades may not pump the price overnight, but they're the foundation for future growth. Better infrastructure attracts builders, which attracts users, creating a powerful flywheel. Ripple's patient, deliberate strategy is exactly what you want for long-term success. The groundwork for mass adoption is being laid right now. The fourth piece, landmark, regulatory progress. The SEC has approved the DTCC's plan to use distributed ledger technology for settlement. The DTCC is the backbone of U.S. finance, processing trillions daily. This is a giant leap for blockchain legitimacy in traditional finance. For XRP, designed for institutional use, this is huge. Regulators are now creating pathways for blockchain, not fighting it. This gives banks and asset managers the confidence to adopt DLT solutions. Ripple is perfectly positioned to serve these institutions with the XRP ledger. Regulatory clarity de-risks XRP for big investors and opens the door for adoption. The legal battles are behind us. Now, proactive regulation is paving the way. The future of finance is digital, and XRP is ready to be a cornerstone. Let's set realistic expectations for XRP's price. Before dreaming of $10, XRP must reclaim its previous all-time high. Breaking $3.40 would be a huge psychological win and start a new price discovery phase. The total crypto market is still small compared to global finance. As tokenization and institutional money flow in, crypto's market cap could multiply. XRP, with real utility and regulatory clarity, is poised to capture a big share. Macro factors like Fed policy still matter, so patience is key. The value being built today is undeniable, even if the market is sideways. Smart money is watching utility and ecosystem growth, not just price charts. Be realistic about the timeline, but bullish about the destination. The convergence of these four developments is a powerful narrative. The path for XRP has never been clearer. So, what's the takeaway? Despite red days, XRP's long-term outlook is stronger than ever. Years of work are culminating in breakthroughs. Solana integration, tokenization, infrastructure upgrades, and regulatory wins. Don't just watch the price. Get involved. Follow Ripple and the XRP community. Stay informed and join the conversation. The more you know, the more conviction you'll have during volatility. This is a movement, and you're part of it. We're witnessing the construction of a new financial system in real time. Projects with real utility and regulatory clarity will win. XRP checks every box. The next few years will be a wild ride, but the thesis remains intact. The world needs a better way to move value, and XRP is being built for it. Stay informed, stay engaged, and stay bullish. The signal is getting stronger every day. The future is bright. Get ready for